I'd probably say maybe the cost. I think that's the biggest thing. It's like, am I going to get value for that amount of money that I'm putting towards palming this off? That'd probably be the number one thing. Pretty much just talked through everything, talked through their situations, prior people's experiences. Like once you put the numbers down on paper for me, it just sort of alleviated any of those fears that I sort of had to begin with. And I get asked all the time, like what, you know, it might be parents, it might be other friends and stuff, so why'd you spend so much money? But then you sort of explain these fundamentals that the guys talked about, and it just puts you at ease. Like it's so much easier. Oh, they've been great. Like just get started, reach out to them. Like I recommend already to people, to my broker and stuff, I'm like, hey, if you've got anyone that's in a similar situation to what I was, like get them to talk to me and I'll refer them straight to these guys, because like they just, once if you align with like their goals, their vision, like you're set. Like it's a smooth process. The guys were awesome to deal with, like kept me in the loop, phone calls, emails when I needed it. It's just such an easy process. Just get started though. You're not going to get anywhere if you don't get started.